On the 20th of April 2023, the Deputy Director General of Headquarter Recruiting Zone for Northeast States, Brigadier Simerjeet Singh, had briefed newspersons on the recruitment of Agniveers and other recruits for the Indian Army for all northeastern states of India. Speaking on the matter, Brigadier Simerjeet Singh said that in the recent past, the recruitment process of the Indian Army has undergone major changes with the introduction of Agnipath scheme in 2022. He added that the scheme has been received well by the youth, as is evident from the response during registration as well as rally sites where youths turned up in large numbers. Singh also informed that with a view to improve the recruiting system to make it more robust, transparent, and simplified, the year 2023 to 2024 saw the introduction of Online Common Entrance Exams (CEE), which seeks to take advantage of increase in information, technological penetration in the country, and improved technological threshold of our youth. This change marks a major shift in the recruitment procedures of the Indian Army, he added.
The scheme has been received very well by the youth, and this is evident from the large number of youths turning up for the registration as well as for the rallies. Two batches of Agniveers are currently under training at various regimental centers. Feedback from these centers have been very positive. Indian Army, as you know, is one of the largest employers of the nation. Traditionally, our intake has been from the rural areas. With the enhanced IT potential, we are now successfully reaching out to many remote areas and tapping potential there. With a view to improve the recruiting system, making it more robust, transparent, and simplified, the year 2023-24 saw the introduction of Online Common Entrance Examination, or CEE as it is known. This move seeks to take advantage of increase in information technology penetration in the country and improve technological threshold of the youth. This change marks a major shift in the recruitment procedures of the Indian Army. Henceforth, the recruitment will be carried out in three stages. In the first stage, all candidates will undergo an online common entrance examination. Thereafter, in the second stage, the shortlisted candidates will be called for recruitment rallies at locations decided by respective Army recruitment officers for physical test and physical measurement tests. Finally, in the third stage, the selected candidates will undergo a medical test. Subsequently, the final merit list of the successful candidates will be declared. In the new system, majority of the processes have been automated, thereby ensuring minimum human interference and consequently a higher standard of transparency and fairness in the already existing robust system.